This snake can grow longer than a school bus, and it kills without venom. The reticulated python is the longest snake on Earth, with some individuals exceeding 20 feet in length. Instead of injecting venom, it wraps around its prey and tightens with every breath until escape becomes impossible. Reticulated pythons can detect body heat using specialized sensory pits along their jaws. Even in complete darkness, they can locate warm-blooded prey with astonishing accuracy. Their intricate, net-like pattern gives them their name. Reticulated means arranged like a network, creating one of the most beautiful camouflage patterns in the animal kingdom. These giant snakes are exceptional swimmers and can travel surprisingly long distances through rivers and coastal waters. They're equally comfortable in forests, grasslands, and near human settlements. Unlike many reptiles, female reticulated pythons stay with their eggs. They coil around them and rapidly contract their muscles to generate heat, helping their babies develop. Baby reticulated pythons hatch at just a fraction of their adult size. But don't let their tiny appearance fool you. Every giant begins as a hatchling. In the jungle, the deadliest predator doesn't need venom.